from AliExpress. This is a big one. It has 2 foam cylinders in there, and so it's wrapped around, the canvas is wrapped around 2. Again, I don't know which one this one is, so we'll have to find out together. And I'm going to try to cut it up here a little bit so I can pull out the drills if possible. Oh, nope. Okay, it's all coming out. It's all coming out. All right. Oh, it's wrapped in bubble wrap, that's why. Oh, that's nice. All right. Open up the tape. Okay, I see a sneak peek at the picture of this one. Okay, so this one is a bigger version of one I already unboxed for you that I said I was getting a bigger one of. And it's really cute. I'll put the link down below for it. I got tweezers, standard tray, bags, wax, a little bit bigger wax. And then I got a pen, a drill pen with a 3 drill tip right there. And there's 2 bags of drills here. That means it's a big one. Does anyone else save the bubble wrap to pop later? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna get the paper out. And it has 30 colors. That's it. Huh. And it is a 75 by 60. Wow. Like I've said in previous videos, at least one previous video, I feel like I kind of went overboard on the sizes to these because I was so worried about not getting something big enough for detail. Wow, look at this color. Oh, I love this color. They're square drills. So I was so worried about getting something too small, that it wouldn't have enough detail in it. So I think I've gone kind of overboard and have gotten super big ones that I don't really know what I'm gonna do with. So this one's really cute. I really like this one. It's dandelion hedgehogs. So the dandelion puffs are turning into hedgehogs. Isn't that cute? The background is gorgeous. I really like the turquoise colors and the blues. I just think it's really cute. So I have a smaller one of this. I think it's only like a 12 inch by 12 inch or something. And in that unboxing video, I said that I was excited to do this one, the bigger one of the 2, because I ordered the smaller one when I didn't know about the whole size, meaning pixelation stuff. So once I ordered the smaller one, I was like, uh-oh, I should probably get a bigger one of that if I want to see the detail, because I was worried about not being able to see enough detail in these dandelion poofs, like the seeds and the different fibers in there. I was a little worried about that, but I think I might have gone overboard because this is huge. It's a 60, what did I say? 60 by 75. Oh my gosh, you guys. Whew. Look at this, you guys. This is huge. Good grief. There's 3 different cover papers, 3 sections. And let's take a little peek. Oh, I think the glue goes all the way down to the bottom here. Yep, sure does. There's like a lot of glue down here on the white part. I'm not even gonna be able to take all this paper off, I don't think, and reset it to make it not as bendy. That's gonna be difficult to do. In my previous videos, what I do to make the canvas settle down a little bit faster is I undo all the paper and I reset it, and then it tends to, oops, it tends to lay itself more flat. So the blue here is going to be a tricky, it's already playing tricks on my eyes, but oh yeah, that's going to be really tricky to see because they're all so dark. Oh no, my shirt's sticking to it. So that's probably going to be pretty tricky to decipher between, but I mean they're clear, it's just that the symbols are a little bit tricky to decipher between. All right, so I'm going to attempt this, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so, oh, and I did buy from my local Dollar Tree, I did buy some pool noodles to roll these on while I'm doing them. That was a suggestion from another person. Whoops, sorry. That using a pool noodle helps to kind of keep it all together. So if you're working on this section, over here would be rolled up on a pool noodle. Just so that it's manageable and that you don't take up so much space or bend the canvas while you're working and whatnot. All right, so I did that side successfully. See the difference, you guys? I don't know if you can tell the difference there, but it makes such a big difference when you unstick the covering and then re-stick it down. It flattens it out so much faster. And then I'll put this under my bed, under my mattress, I mean, to cure, to flatten out more, and just to store them somewhere nice and big and flat. So there's the little hedgehoggy guys. Can you see that? Start to see it a little bit. I'm gonna do this one first. I think. The papers don't really, they don't overlap too much, which I'm really happy about. Sometimes, oops, this one's crooked a little bit. Sometimes I've noticed that if you have multiple, man, this is like harder than it looks. Sometimes if you have multiple papers like this, it's tricky because the two papers can be overlapped a little bit, and that's not good because then your glue is not set properly. But I haven't come across, see, like this is overlapped with this one. There we go. So see that little hedgehog? Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Oh my gosh, you guys were turned way far. Try to lift them up a little bit. No, you can't see them. All right, well, I tried. So just be careful when you're pulling up your cover paper that if it is overlapped, you're gonna want to pull it very slowly. so that it doesn't rip off the glue or anything. I think it's this one that's crooked. Oh my gosh, you guys. How many times have I tried this? Let's see if I did it. That sounds good. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, well, I'm gonna throw this on the floor for now. The colors are very neutral, lots of blue, like I said. And there's some purple too, in this one. Not sure where the purple comes in. I'm guessing like in the dandelion fluffers, little foofs. Seeds. I don't actually know what the proper term for that is, for those dandelion puffs. Seedlings? Dandelion seeds? I don't know. Seed puffs? Who knows? I don't. There's no black. No black and no white. And if you have been keeping up with my channel, you know that I've been doing a ton of white because I've been working on a Harry Potter diamond painting that has an entire white background. All right, well, that's it for that unboxing. Thanks for watching.